I've just found out about this new strategy where you just have to watch a video and you will earn $1 automatically. This strategy has nothing to do with those annoying ads and will work in 2021. It also doesn't require any knowledge from your end. And since I'll be showing you multiple platforms, make sure you stay patient and watch all the way until the end so you don't miss any of them. But before we start, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way, make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. The first of many sites that I'll be showing you today is called lightgpt.com. This is a fairly new website and it hasn't been around for that long. However, what it does is excellent reviews on Trustpilot, and as you can see, it has a rating of 4.4 stars with over 700 reviews. This is more than anything else should show you that we're talking about a legit website and not a scam whatsoever. You can read all these reviews, see it for yourselves, but I won't waste your time, so let's get back to the actual site. Now if you scroll down here, you will come across this section called Earners Benefits. And there are some very good ones that are part of the reason why I'm showcasing this site today. First off, there are more than 8 ways to earn money, so this site isn't focused on just surveys or whatsoever. You have many different ways to get paid. Just below that, you see that you just need 50 cents in order to be able to withdraw your money. This fact makes this site stand out from the rest, because many sites require you to earn way more money before you can withdraw it. LikeGPT.com, however, doesn't. The next thing on this list is something very important to us. It says withdraw in dollars, or this one right here. In case you don't know, you can also withdraw your earnings in dollars. I'll leave that part up to you as always. Anyways, the rest of these benefits consists of unlimited direct referrals, cheap upgrade plans. You receive daily bonuses, which is nice, and you get to make money and passive income. To the right of these benefits, you see the most common ways people earn money on this site. And watching video ads is the most common way and also the best way in my opinion. Now these are not classic annoying ads you get to see all the time. They're actually very high quality ads, and these advertisers pay LikeGPT.com a lot of money in order to get some exposure. As such, you get paid very decently by watching them. And you don't even have to watch them per se, which is my favorite thing about them. Just leave the video playing in the background while you're off doing something else. With that said, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the amount of members this site has, as well as the amount of money they've given out, which is nearly 200,000 members and around $8,900 respectively. Just below that, you have the services that this site has to offer that you can check out. I won't go over that. What I want to show you instead is located just below the payment proofs. The reason I'm showing you this is to remove any remaining doubt about this website. The second one is to show you that this works worldwide. I mean, just check out all of the countries you have on here. You've got people from Europe, Asia, North America, literally from all over the globe that are making money with this site. They get paid either in different payment channels or either in real cash. In any case, where you are coming from doesn't matter one bit, as far as this website is concerned. Speaking of Faucet Pay, if you want to get paid in cryptocurrency, you need an account there. So if you don't have one, you want to come over to faucetpay.io. And click right here where it says sign up. From there, you just have to enter your username, email address, password, and then you want to tick this box, signaling that you agree to their terms and conditions. Finish the CAPTCHA and click on sign up, and boom! Now you have an account, and you can get paid through cryptocurrency. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. However, if you don't want an account on Faucet Pay, just so you get paid through cryptocurrency, you can actually earn money on here as well. If you hover your mouse over at Earn, you can see that you have offer walls, surveys, paid to click, and other offers for you to complete to get paid. So after creating an account here, it's not a bad idea to finish some of these and earn some decent cash for free. Anyhow, let's get back to LikeGPT.com. So I can show you exactly what you want to do when you first come to this website, which is, as you might guess, create an account. You'll do that by simply clicking on register here, and once again, Just enter in some of your basic information. Complete this verification. Tick these 2 boxes and click on Register, and you're good to go from there. As promised, I will be showing you multiple websites that you can use to maximize your profits. The second website is called bucksinside.com. And right away, the moment you get onto their homepage, you will notice that they will pay you instantly, so you don't have to wait at all in order to collect your earnings. Furthermore, you will need to earn $2 at a minimum in order to be able to collect your earnings, which is indeed more than the previous website. But regardless, this site is a good one to use. If you want to get paid in cryptocurrency, as far as what you have to do in order to get paid, it's watching video ads just like with the previous site. Something else this site has in common with LikeGPT.com is that it's available in most countries around the globe as well. So you've got people getting paid from Canada, the US, countries in Europe like Spain, France or Germany, countries in Africa, Asia. It's literally worldwide available. And what I also found out on their payment page is that some people have actually made thousands of dollars. Now, obviously, that would have taken them a few weeks or perhaps months to reach. The point is, however, that you can get paid big money if you invest some time into this website, so it's definitely worth your time. Now, if you care to take a look at these payments yourself, that's very simple. You just have to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Payments right here, which will redirect you to this particular page. As far as how you will get paid, this site has many different options to offer. If you aren't passionate about cryptocurrency, you have other payment options like PayPal and such, whichever you want. Choosing is something I will completely leave up to you. As always, in order to get started with this, you just have to click on Register in the upper right corner and create an account, and you'll be good to go. The last site I'll show you today is called coinpayu.com. And right off the bat, when you come on here, you will see one of the great things about this site, which is that you have various other cryptocurrencies available, aside from just the ones you know. Right now, you have these ones available right here, and a few other ones. On this site, once again, you get paid by viewing advertisements. But that's not the only thing in common with the previous platforms. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see that it also has a fantastic review. Set reviews coming from literally all over the world, from North America to Europe, Asia, and beyond. To further solidify this site as indeed a legit one are these payment proofs, which you can check out by clicking here. And something that I really like about them is that you can click on these addresses and see that they're actual legit payments, not a scam or anything like that, and that's a very nice addition. Moreover, you can check out payments for the other available cryptocurrencies. Once again, to get started with this site, you just have to create an account by clicking on Register or Join Free right here, and that's it. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.